Women Empowerment. S dot, the last of the G dot, I dot, R dot, L dot, S dot, strategy. Yes, it's very important. Strategy is very important for women empowerment by women themselves. The Troika of Entanglement, we discuss here: D for diversity, E for equity, I for inclusion. Diversity: race, nationality, age, ethnicity, culture, etc., for women that we know of. This would exasperate women to no end. Take the example of a flight stewardess or accounts executive. Having entrusted with the core responsibility factors for overseeing value systems within a company, why should we get into the diversity factor? Women have to think in terms of unity in diversity, not to accentuate differences between them. Please take note. Equity: women or men equity is the effort each person puts in and her or his personal earnings out of their own performance. Ethical assets are earned. It belongs to the individual and not to the company. Let me quote from my earlier write-ups. Ladies and girls, women's empowerment. Please note, women's empowerment. Ask yourself, who is to empower whom? Women's suffrage. One, in the US, for the women, a right known as women's suffrage, was ratified on August 18, 1920, ending almost a century of protests. Two, in the UK, on the 10th of January 1918, the House of Lords gave approval for women over the age of 30 who met a property qualification to vote. After women's suffrage came into play, what happened next? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Women's suffrage once obtained, what did the women get? Nothing. That is because they didn't have a plan to start with, and thereby plan of action to follow. Unquote. Is my podcast episode number 17. That is what the lesson number 1 brings to women equity: a plan of action to bring about a complete change in the principles of women empowerment. The Boys Only Club is going to be the most benefited for having corporate mom orbiting the corporate nucleus with a CO team. My message: to err is human, and to correct it is superhuman. That's what Herbert is. Germany, after the World War II, had Konrad Adenauer reconstructing the nation from ruins. One is economic ruins, another corruption, as Kofi Annan says, an insidious plague that has a wide range of corrosive effects on societies. Pierre Modi and Herbert Diech are of superior kinds in bringing value system within their domains. It can be accomplished not by catchwords but by women empowerment. Corporate mom is an absolute necessary for constructing values in any company. I find women equity central to the 17 SDGs. Ensuring its success in each of the 17 SDGs is going to trigger a tectonic shift in the 3 spheres of influence: political, economic, and public life. As I had said in lesson 1, we are living in a DIY planet. Philosophers, scientists, economists, and consultants are just advisories. As said in strategy planning process, our commitment deeper and our efforts greater. Ushering in women empowerment that truly would take corporate to greater heights is up to corporate to DIY. Women empowerment as a policy document must emanate from corporate, whereas women equity is a merit tracker for women, what cream technology offers in measuring, recording, implementing, tracking women equity by each person. That's all.